Merry Christmas, everyone. Did Santa bring you something amazing this year? Well, let me tell you, my Christmas wish came true. Underneath the tree, nestled amongst the twinkling lights, I found the ultimate filmmaking treasure, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. But not just any combo. I am talking the ultimate one, a kit including not only the DJI Creator Combo, but also including other essential accessories that would make the delight of any new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 owner. In this video, I'll unbox this incredible gifts and share my excitement with you all. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, cozy up by the fireplace, and let's celebrate this Christmas miracle together. Okay, so we'll start with the actual DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I've been dreaming of this pocket-sized powerhouse for ages, and the moment I unwrapped it, I knew this was going to change the way I capture memories. I'm already dreaming of the incredible videos I'm going to create with this amazing camera. Travel vlogs, family memories, even capturing my kids' hilarious antics. The possibilities are endless. And look at this, the Creator Combo comes with a dedicated protective case. This is going to be a lifesaver for keeping everything organized and safe during travel. I can already see myself throwing this in my backpack and /appblasteronline.com/speechelo/d heading out on an adventure. Let's dive right in. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 comes beautifully packaged in this sleek and compact box. And look at this, the Creator Combo. This is going to take my filmmaking to the next level. Imagine capturing the sunrise over a stunning landscape, or creating a mesmerizing time-lapse of a bustling city. The possibilities are truly endless. Inside, we have the star of the show, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 itself. This tiny camera packs a serious punch with its 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, professional-looking footage no matter how shaky my hands get. Here is the mini tripod. This is going to be incredibly useful for capturing stable shots on any surface. I can imagine setting this up on a table, a rock, or even a fence post to get some unique angles. The Creator Combo also includes a small handle with a 1/4 inch thread. This is incredibly versatile. And here's the battery handle. This is a game changer. It not only provides a more comfortable grip, but also significantly extends the battery life of the camera. And the pièce de résistance, the DJI Mic 2 wireless microphone system. This is going to take my audio to the next level. The DJI Mic 2 wireless microphone system is going to revolutionize my audio recordings. I can't wait to see how much clearer my interviews and vlogs will sound. Finally, no more muffled audio or distracting background noise. My viewers are going to be amazed by the crystal clear sound quality. Not to forget about the windscreens for the DJI Mic 2. This is going to be essential for capturing clean audio, even in windy conditions. And look at this, a wide-angle lens. This is going to be amazing for capturing expansive landscapes and dynamic scenes. I can't wait to see how much more I can capture in each frame. And let's not forget the 4K camera. This thing captures stunning video and crystal clear photos. I can't wait to see what kind of magic I can create with it. But that's not all. The Osmo Pocket 3 is loaded with intelligent features. Active Track 4.0 keeps my subject locked in focus even when they're moving around, and AI Spotlight 2.0 ensures they always remain the center of attention. I'm particularly excited about the time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel and ensure you won't miss out on more content like this. Okay, so now we'll be diving into what I consider to be a crucial accessory for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, the CanDef Concept Lens Filter Kit. This kit includes a circular polarizer, an ND2 to ND32 variable filter, and a black diffusion 1.4 filter. Let's see how these filters can elevate my filmmaking game. The CPL filter is a must-have for any filmmaker. It helps reduce glare and reflections from non-metallic surfaces like water and glass, enhancing color saturation and creating more vibrant footage. I'm particularly excited to see how this will improve the quality of my travel videos, especially when shooting near water or on sunny days. Note that for added value, this kit comes with a nice cleaning cloth for the lenses and a very useful screen protector for the rotating Pocket 3 screen. The variable ND2 to ND32 filter, it is incredibly versatile. This allows me to control the amount of light entering the lens, helping achieve a smoother exposure in bright conditions. It is perfect for capturing cinematic slow-motion footage, even in broad daylight. I can't wait to experiment with different ND levels and see the creative possibilities. Finally, the Black Diffusion 1.4 filter. This filter creates a soft, dreamy effect, adding a touch of artistic flair to my footage. It's perfect for portraits, vlogs, and anytime I want to give my videos a more cinematic look. I'm eager to see how these filters work together, which by the way reminds me that you can stack these up and use more than one at the time, with their extremely convenient magnet mounting system. I am sure this will help me to enhance my creativity. Now take a look at the Sunny Life handband for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This nifty little accessory adds a whole new level of versatility to your Pocket 3, transforming it into a truly handheld cinematic powerhouse. The cushioned grip provides a secure hold, minimizing shake and wobble for smoother shots. The band allows for a wide range of shooting angles, from low-angle shots to overhead captures. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended filming sessions. The handband folds down easily, making it incredibly easy to pack and take with you on your adventures. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs, capturing action sports, or simply experimenting with new cinematic styles, the Sunny Life handband is a must-have accessory for any Osmo Pocket 3 owner. Okay, next we have the Ulanzi Extension Tripod MT73, a versatile and compact tripod that's perfect for content creators on the go and an amazing match for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. To start off, note that this thing transforms from a compact tabletop tripod to an almost full-size tripod with an extendable center column, offering incredible flexibility for various shooting scenarios. This is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures with the Pocket 3. As if you mount the handle in the Pocket 3 camera, this is pretty much the same size as the Ulanzi MT73 tripod when closed. Despite its compact size, the MT73 is built with durable materials, ensuring stability and reliability even when shooting with heavier cameras. It comes with a versatile ball head, allowing for smooth and precise camera adjustments. Whether you're vlogging, shooting time-lapses, or capturing stunning landscapes, the Ulanzi Extension Tripod MT73 provides the stability and versatility you need to capture amazing content together with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, what do you say? Do you like this camera? Do you think these accessories give the boost it requires? Please let me know in the comments below if you like it or not, and if you would get anything else instead. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.